Hello friends, today we will learn about the concept of symmetry. Now, an object is symmetrical when it is exactly the same on both sides when you fold it in half. यानी जब भी आप किसी चीज़ को fold करते हैं and that is divided into two equal half, identical half, that is called symmetrical object, and the line which divide the object is called line of symmetry. We call it axis of symmetry also. Now today we will learn line of symmetry in alphabets. So let's do the activity. Now in A, what type of line of symmetry is there? That is vertical line of symmetry. So this line divide A into two equal half. Now in B, that is horizontal line. In C, that is horizontal line. In D, that is horizontal line. In E, also horizontal line. F, there is no line of symmetry. In F, there is no line of symmetry. In G, also no line of symmetry. In H, there are two line of symmetry, horizontal and vertical, both. So in this alphabet H, we have both line of symmetry. Now I is also divided vertically and horizontally. So there are also two line of symmetry in I. And J, there is no line of symmetry in J. K is also divisible by horizontal line. We can divide K with horizontal line. In L, no line of symmetry. M, vertical line of symmetry divide M into equal halves. N, we cannot divide N. O is also divisible by vertically and horizontally. So in O also there are two line of symmetry. Now P, we cannot divide P into two equal parts. Q, we cannot divide Q also. R is also not symmetrical. S is also not symmetrical. We cannot divide S vertically also, and we cannot divide it as this. So this is not symmetrical. T, we can divide T vertically. So we can divide T vertically. Now U also vertically. V also vertically. W, vertical line of symmetry. X, in X we can divide X in vertically and horizontally also. So in X there are two line of symmetry, vertical also and horizontal also. And in Y there is only one line of symmetry, that is vertical. And Z is not symmetrical. It cannot be divided into two equal halves. If you will divide like this, it is not symmetrical, and if you divide in this is also not symmetrical. So Z can also not be divided into symmetrical shape. Okay, now you can give me answer of these question in comment box. Like and subscribe.